Is your Google Home constantly disconnecting from Wi-Fi? You're not alone. This is a widespread issue affecting many users worldwide. The good news is that Google is aware of this problem and actively releasing updates to improve connectivity. They've been working on fixes specifically for Google Home and Chromecast devices. The disconnection problem often stems from several key factors. These include weak Wi-Fi signal strength, interference from other devices, too many devices connected to your network, or limitations with your router hardware. Google Home devices connect using either 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands. Each band has different characteristics that can affect connectivity and performance. Looking toward the future, Google is investing heavily in newer technologies like Matter and Thread. These protocols aim to create a more reliable and unified smart home experience. To start troubleshooting, ensure your Google Home is powered on, you're using the correct Wi-Fi password, and both devices are on the same network. These basic checks can resolve many connectivity issues. When your Google Home keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi, start with these basic troubleshooting steps that solve most connection issues. First, reboot your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This clears temporary network issues and refreshes connections. Next, power cycle your Google Home device. Unplug it from power, wait 10 seconds, then plug it back in. This forces the device to reconnect fresh to your network. If basic steps don't work, the issue might be Wi-Fi band interference. Modern routers broadcast on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies. The 2.4 GHz band has longer range but more interference, while 5 GHz offers faster speeds with less congestion. Separating your devices can improve stability. Connect your Google Home devices to the 5 GHz band for better performance, while keeping other smart home devices on the 2.4 GHz band to reduce congestion. Another effective fix is changing your DNS server settings. DNS servers translate website names into IP addresses, and Google's servers are often more reliable than your internet providers. Change your DNS settings to use Google's public DNS servers, 8.8.8 as primary and 8.8.44 as secondary. This can resolve connectivity issues caused by DNS problems. For advanced troubleshooting, you can use specialized apps to diagnose your Wi-Fi network and identify specific problems affecting your Google Home's connection. The Ubiquiti Wi-Fi Man app is excellent for testing Wi-Fi strength and detecting interference. It shows signal strength, network congestion, and helps identify dead zones in your home. Other advanced solutions include updating your router firmware, moving your Google Home closer to the router, or as a last resort, performing a factory reset of the device. If you're replacing your router, there's one important consideration to prevent continued connection problems with your existing devices. When replacing your router, ensure your Google Home devices aren't still trying to connect to the old router. Even if you use the same network name and password, devices may get confused between the two networks. Following these troubleshooting steps systematically will resolve most Google Home Wi-Fi disconnection issues. Start with basic steps and work your way up to advanced solutions as needed.